Hi, my name is Michael Neji from tryperdiem.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up coupons on the Per Diem Merchant dashboard. So the first thing you want to do when you log into your account is go down to Marketing, expand the menu, and then click on Coupons. So once you're on the coupons page, go to the top right corner and click on Create a Coupon. So there are two types of coupons that can be created. There's a birthday coupon, and then there is a regular coupon that can be created. So birthday coupons are single use and applicable solely on the recipient's birthday. So the coupon will be automatically dispatched via push notification on their birthday and will remain valid for 48 hours. So once it's a customer's birthday, a birthday coupon would be sent to them via push notification, and they can use it within 48 hours. So if you want to create a birthday coupon, you have to do is check the box here, put the discount code, and set the discount amount. If you want to create a regular coupon, uncheck the box, and then you can go ahead to create a regular coupon. So for this example, we're going to say Xmas off, and I'm going to say that the discount would give them, let's say, $10 off. You can also set this in percentage, so I'm going to just leave it as dollars. And you can also set a minimum spend amount. So what this means is that the customer would have to spend at least this amount for them to be eligible to use this discount code. But if you don't want to set a minimum spend amount, all you do is uncheck the box. You can also set a start date and an end date. So by default it's set to never expire, but if you uncheck that box, you can set a start date and an end date. So the start date is today, being the 6th of June, 12:33 p.m. So I'm going to set an end date to, let's say, on the 8th, around this time as well. So that would set a start date and an end date for the coupon. You can also set the number of usage per customer. So for now, there's by default it's set to no limit, but I can say, okay, I want one user to be able to use this 2 times, and that is what's going to happen when I set the number here to 2. There's also the message here that says certain usage limits reserves this coupon only for registered users. So only registered users will be able to use this coupon if there's a limit per customer. I can also set which locations that this coupon will be valid for, and I can set it to all locations, or I can choose specific locations. So for this purpose, I will set to all locations, and once I'm done, I'm going to hit save. So as you can see, it's been added, the coupon has been created. Once a customer uses this code when making a purchase on the mobile app, they're going to get $10 discount off their purchase. And for you to know which coupon is a birthday coupon, under the column of type, you're going to see this tag birthday, and then you can tell that, okay, this is a birthday coupon. Of course, you also have the ability to see more details about the coupon, so you can see the usage count, the number of customer, the revenue generated, and then the total discount that has been given as a result of this particular coupon code. And you can as well edit, and you can also deactivate this coupon code. So that is how you set up the coupons on the Per Diem Merchant dashboard. Thank you.